quick question. Is it just me, or does it seem like Herbalife clubs are just popping up randomly all around the world with their fancy loaded energy teas and their delicious meal replacement shakes? Well, you know what? I hope that's the case, because if so, this guy is going to visit as many of these clubs as I can to bring you some inspiring stories and delicious recipes. Lawan Diggs here. I've been using the Herbalife products for about 3 months now, and along with light to moderate exercise, I've been able to drop about 30 pounds and 6 inches in my waist, and I was inspired to start the Herbalife Road Show a few months ago. And now, I travel all around the world. I'm seeing different faces and Herbalife clubs in various places, and I hope you follow me with the journey. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and share the videos, comment whenever you feel like it, because hopefully these recipes and stories are inspiring you just as much as me. Can you dig that? I can dig that. Dig that nutrition. Let's go.
I travel all around the world, I'm seeing different faces and Herbalife clubs in various places. Now watch me grind and lose this weight, one Herbalife shake at a time. Now watch me grind and lose this weight, one Herbalife shake at a time. Now watch me grind and lose this weight, one Herbalife shake at a time.